Social media marketing is using platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to promote your business. It's a powerful tool that allows businesses to reach a vast audience with just a few clicks. It's about connecting with your audience where they hang out online. These platforms are where people spend a significant amount of their time, making them ideal for engagement. You share valuable content, build relationships, and ultimately drive sales. By consistently providing content that resonates with your audience, you can establish trust and loyalty. It's marketing in a fun, engaging way. Social media allows for creativity and interaction that traditional marketing methods can't match. Think of social media as a big party. Everyone's there to connect, share experiences, and enjoy themselves. Everyone's there to chat, share, and have a good time. Your role is to be an engaging host who keeps the conversation lively. Your job? Be the life of the party. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, and make them feel valued. Share interesting stories, offer helpful advice, and make people want to be your friend and customer. The more value you provide, the more your audience will trust and follow you. It's not just about posting randomly, it's about strategy. You need to plan your content and understand what works best for your audience. Who are you trying to reach? Identifying your target audience is crucial for effective social media marketing. What do they care about? Understanding their interests and needs will help you create content that resonates with them. How can you provide value? Offering solutions, tips, and engaging content will keep your audience coming back for more. Answer these questions, and you're on your way to social media success. With the right approach, social media marketing can transform your business. In today's world, social media is everything. It's where people get their news, connect with friends, and discover new brands. If you're not on social media, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to reach potential customers. Think about it. Billions of people use social media daily. That's a massive audience for your business. And the best part? You can target your ideal customer. Whether it's age, location, or interests, social media allows you to zero in on the people most likely to love your brand. But it's not just about numbers. Social media is about building relationships. When you engage with your audience, answer their questions, and provide valuable content, you build trust and loyalty. And that's priceless. Instagram is all about visuals, stunning photos, captivating videos, and eye-catching graphics. It's a place to showcase your brand's personality and tell your story through striking imagery. Use high-quality images and videos that are visually appealing. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different filters and editing tools. Instagram Stories is another powerful tool. Use it to share behind-the-scenes content, quick tips, or run polls and Quanda sessions to boost engagement. Hashtags are key on Instagram. They help people discover your content. Research relevant hashtags in your niche and use a mix of popular and more specific ones. Engage with other users. Like, comment, and share their content. It's a two-way street, and building relationships is crucial. Facebook is the king of connection. With billions of users, it's a powerful platform for building a community around your brand. Create a Facebook page and use it to share updates, promotions, and engage with your followers. Consistency is key on Facebook. Post regularly to stay top of mind. Use a variety of content formats such as text updates, photos, videos, and live streams to keep your audience engaged. Facebook groups are another fantastic tool. Join relevant groups in your niche and participate in conversations. Engage, respond to comments, answer questions, and run contests or giveaways to encourage interaction. Remember, Facebook is about building relationships, so be social and engage with your audience. Twitter. Join the conversation. Twitter is all about real-time conversations and staying up to date on the latest trends. It's fast-paced and dynamic, making it a great place to share your thoughts, join discussions, and connect with your audience in a more informal way. Keep your tweets concise and engaging. Use strong verbs and eye-catching visuals to capture attention. Use relevant hashtags to join trending conversations and reach a wider audience. Twitter is all about engagement, so be sure to respond to tweets, participate in Twitter chats, and don't be afraid to share your opinions. Follow industry leaders, influencers, and potential customers. Retweet valuable content and share your insights to establish yourself as a thought leader in your niche. Crafting engaging content. Content is king. In today's digital age, the content you create can make or break your social media strategy. It's not just about posting frequently, but about posting quality content that resonates with your audience. No matter what platform you're using, the key to social media success is creating content that your audience will love. This means understanding their preferences, interests, and behaviors. Think about what your ideal customer wants to see. What kind of stories captivate them? What visuals grab their attention? It's all about putting yourself in their shoes. Address their pain points to build trust and position yourself as an authority. Offer solutions, tips, and insights they can't find elsewhere. What kind of content will they find valuable, entertaining, or inspiring? Whether it's a how-to video, a motivational quote, or a behind-the-scenes look, make sure it adds value. Use a mix of content formats. Videos, images, infographics, and live streams can keep your feed dynamic and engaging. Don't just post text updates. Visuals often capture attention first. Make sure your posts are visually appealing and aligned with your brand's aesthetic. Mix it up with eye-catching images, behind-the-scenes videos, funny memes, thought-provoking quotes, and engaging polls. Ask questions. Encourage your audience to share their thoughts, experiences, and opinions. Run contests and giveaways. Everyone loves free stuff. Be yourself. Authenticity is key. Let your brand's personality shine through in your content. People connect with authenticity. Share your journey, your values, and your unique perspective. Remember, the goal is to build a community, not just a following. Engage, inspire, and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Measuring your success. It's not enough to just post on social media and hope for the best. You need to be proactive and strategic in your approach. You need to track your progress and see what's working. This means diving into the data and understanding the story it tells. That's where analytics come in. Analytics provide you with the insights needed to make informed decisions. Most social media platforms offer analytics dashboards where you can track key metrics like reach, engagement, and website traffic. These tools are invaluable for understanding your audience. Pay attention to your reach. Reach tells you how many people are seeing your content. How many people are you reaching with your content? This is crucial for expanding your brand's visibility. The more people you reach, the more potential customers you're exposing your brand to. Engagement is key. Engagement metrics show how your audience is interacting with your content. Are people liking, commenting, and sharing your content? High engagement indicates that your content resonates with your audience. If not, it's time to rethink your content strategy. Consider what types of posts have performed well in the past and why. Are your social media efforts driving traffic to your website? Website traffic is a strong indicator of your social media success. Make sure you're including links to your website in your profiles and posts. This encourages your audience to visit your site. By tracking your progress, you can identify what's working, what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Regularly reviewing your analytics will help you stay on top of your social media game and ensure continuous improvement. Ready, set, grow! Social media marketing is a powerful tool for any business looking to grow its online presence, engage with its target audience, and ultimately drive sales. Remember, consistency is key. The more you post, engage, and experiment, the better your results will be. Start by choosing 1 or 2 platforms that align with your target audience and focus on building a strong presence there. Create valuable content, engage with your followers, and don't be afraid to experiment. Social media is constantly evolving, so stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun. Your audience will notice your passion, and it will shine through in everything you do. Please like, share, and subscribe for more emotional wellness and self-care tips videos.